In this video, I'm going to show you a super quick, one-click solution for basic and balanced photo editing using Affinity Photo. It's fast, easy, and perfect when you don't have time to adjust layers manually. Before we begin, I'd love to invite you to join this channel by clicking the Join button below. Becoming a channel member unlocks exclusive perks, including members-only videos, early access to content, and premium design elements. If you enjoy learning creative shortcuts and design tricks, consider supporting me and the channel so I can produce more videos like this and you can become part of our special community. Now, let's jump in. Here's a photo that looks a bit dull. We want a quick fix without spending much time tweaking layers. Go to the top menu and follow these steps. Filter. Colors auto levels. Instantly, Affinity Photo enhances the lighting in your image. Filter, colors auto contrast. Adds punch and depth with one click. Filter. Colors auto color. This balances your image's overall tones automatically. Here's a quick look at the before and after. Filter, colors auto white balance, optional. Use this if your image has an unwanted color cast or incorrect color temperature. Here's a quick look at the before and after. With just for automatic adjustments, you get a clean and professional look in seconds. If you found this video helpful, check out the next video on your screen. You'll enjoy it. Also, take a look at the amazing video playlist organized on this channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment with your thoughts. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next one.